This quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can disable this dynamic bar. That you guys can disable this or enable this as well. If you guys don't like this, you can still disable this. I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, just go to setting and then you need to tap on this special function. There is a dynamic bar and you can literally turn this off. There you go. If you want it, you can bring that back as well. You can specifically disable the dynamic bar for specific features here, like face unlock, call, recorder, charging animation, NFC, and Google Map as well, stopwatch, hotspot, whatever. You can just customize and tweak them. So if you just don't like it like all the way, then you can just disable this, and it's that simple. That's how you guys can disable or enable dynamic bar. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in next tutorial. Peace.